So now let's work around with the shoes and adjust them over here. So here we have our character, which is barefooted. So let's add in a shoe for her. So I'm just going to go on to the clothing section, just like I would for tops and bottoms. And then I'm going to go to the shoes section. So here are different shoes, as you can see, and simply you can select the shoes that you want. Let's say, for example, you want this. Simply click on that and the shoe has been added, as you can see right over here. So you can go over here onto something like this as well, and you can see that the mini shoes has been added up. So let me add in something like, let's say, for example, this one right over here. So something like a sporty shoe. So just like I would work on with the cloth, I can go over here and adjust the shoes as well. So I can go over here and I can work around with this. So I can bring down the modifier size, the hardness, and I can move around the shoe shape, as you can see right over here. So you can see that I can just move around and adjust the shoe according to what I want. So I want to, let's say, for example, bring this a bit up or down. I can go ahead and adjust this out, as you can see right over here, just like that. So it's quite easy right over here. You can go around, work around with like the different parts of shoes right here, or work in a symmetrical way so that I can work with both of the shoe at once right over here to maintain symmetry right over here as well. So just like any other clothing, I can go over here onto the customize section. And if I were to choose the feet right over here, like if I were to change the feet, you can see that the shoe adjusts itself right over there. And then I can like uncheck the show clothing to see how like the legs are. I can work around with the toes and get back onto the shoe right over here. So that is how you can work around with the shoes inside of Adobe Fuse. So if you guys learned something, as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.